Hey there, well done for completing the last module. You're really getting along in this course. Now, I want to share with you another one of my tips for getting yourself down to actually do the work and do the course. Because we all know that life very often gets in the way of things, right? Like, I come home and I'm so tired from work. I just want to collapse onto the sofa and watch Game of Thrones and maybe have a snack next to me. And that's so tempting for every single one of us. But, we also know that it takes consistent work, consistently applying yourself before you can actually learn a skill or master something. So there's like these two things are always fighting with each other in my head. And one of the things that's really helped me to be able to do more of the things that I want to do is to kind of like trick my brain, just to tell myself, I'm going to sit myself down and I'm just going to do 20 minutes of study or work, whatever it is that is going to get me towards my goal. And after the 20 minutes, I am a free woman. I can do whatever I want. I can binge watch Game of Thrones while eating a tub of ice cream, if so be it. But the point is, once you've actually sat down and you've gotten started, once you've done that 20 minutes, the momentum keeps you going. There's so much inertia. There's inertia getting started and there's inertia actually stopping. Because if you're choosing to do this, then I bet that it's actually kind of fun for you, right? Like, once you're in it and once you're getting the code to do what you want it to do, there's joy in that. And the most difficult part is just getting yourself to sit down and get started. So try this trick next time when you feel like life is really overwhelming you and you're not getting any time to get into the course. Just sit down for 20 minutes in the evening or in the morning and just tell yourself, I'm only going to do 20 minutes. If you end up doing more than 20 minutes, then great. But if you only do 20 minutes, that's still 20 minutes, right? So have a go at this trick and let me know if it works for you as well as it works for me.